couple of weeks ago, or a week ago. He says he just had his big barbecue. There was 100 people.
Wow.
He says about 90 of them had barbecued salmon, and the rest just hamburger or whatever, you know. So he says most of the people come, they want that barbecued salmon that he does every year.
Wow.
He's, he might only be 39 inches.
Only? Pretty big. So the biggest was 62 inches or pounds?
Pounds.
Okay.
It was about 65 inches long. Okay, 36 and...
Oh, he's still alive.
3 is 39, yeah, 39, 40 inches.
Wow, you have a good...
Well, I caught lots of them.
Right.
He's 40 inches. He was over 30 stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
What's that? That's the...
Wow.
Wow.
We have a lot of it.
Wow. I don't want to do this part.
You don't have to. This is what I do. You don't have to do none of this.
Ooh. Well, so that's like all sperm. That's not like a gizzard or anything.
No, here's the liver.
Wow.
And the heart should be, well, I cut it up. It's still trying to beat, even though it's cut up.
These are amazing, the gills.
Gills,
yeah. Number 2. Wow. Look at all the eggs. Wow.
A bunch of them, 3,000 eggs.
Whoa. Whoa. Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. These guys come after them.
Wow.
Who knows what all kind of fish they are, but... Okay, pull that front anchor up. I got to...
Okay. Cool.
Look at all those eggs.
Uh-huh.
Damn.
Huh.
So you let it cook on that side for a while, and then turn it over and butter it again. And that's the way you do it. And turn it one more time usually. And then that's the way it comes out. It's nice and moist that way from the butter.
Right. Wow, yeah.
Look at that. That used to be a cornfield. They plowed it under, so it must be corn now. You know.
Look at them. Hello, fellas. Their ears are huge. Nope. I did. So we're cutting it. So what do we end up getting? 4 out of 4.